Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial of TestingLPoint. In the last section we have discussed about the relative locators by using the above. In this session we will discuss about other relative locators like below, to left of, to right of, and near. In the last sections what we did, we are taking the web element of the password field by using the by.id. By using this as a reference, you are clicking on the element by the email address, which is our email address field. In which logic, click on the above of the password field, and which the type is input, which is our uh, email field. Okay, let's load again. Yeah, so email field is the above of the password field. Now what we'll do, we'll enter the password field by using this email address field. We'll take this as a reference and fill the password. Let's change our script a little bit. Okay, let's copy this script and create a different or separate class for the below. Relative underscore locators, and is that below. Let's create the class and remove all these 4 lines. Now I'll do a fresh code for that below. Let's find the location for the email field. For that, I need to write the email as a web element, and through the find element by id, driver dot find element by dot id. Okay, what will give id of that email field? What is the email field id? Let's do the inspect and check which is the id. Yeah, this is the id of that email field. Take this id and give the semicolon and write web element password field equal to drivers dot find element. Just tell me what will do. We cannot use that by.id. We need to use with. Yes, we need to use with function, and we need to use by dot tag name, and now your tag name is input dot below of our email field. Okay, what's this wrong? Okay, this dot, it's not comma. Okay, you need to change the class name. Okay, class name is same as the file name here. We have located the email field by using the ID, and we are giving that the below relative XPath by using that email reference. Now just enter email dot send keys and pass the relative. Okay, here the string relative locator below and pass the password field what dot in case as let's say password field of by using below. Let's save the script ending the semicolon, then now it's no error. Let's run this script. Chrome driver successfully started. Now the web page is opened. I can see we can see the login page. This should enter the little locators below and the password field.
ଟିକେ ରୁହ ଯାଉଛି 5 ମିନିଟରେ।
Then in the let's see have a look on this to the left. Now you're clear, right, on the below how it is working. Let's copy the script, not fully, just take from there and create the class. Relative locators tor underscore to left of. Paste this one. Okay, now just change the class name to eliminate the error. Okay, now what we'll do, the logic is you need to click the left element. Let's take this as a reference, network status, and okay, click on the inspect. What is the network status ID? This one is the network status ID. Let's paste this one and find that element location by using the ID. How to do that? WebElement, give the name as a network underscore status equal to driver just find element by dot id, pass this id. Okay, now by using this one, I am here now here. I need to click on the left of this element. How to do that? Let's create the web element. Let's left element click. Okay, what we'll do, driver dot find element, we will use with by. Okay, we need to use with by dot tag name. Tag name is our is here LA, and toLeftOf will take reference as a network status. Then just enter double colon, just then click on the left click dot click. Okay, toLeftOf. Why it's not taking 1 minute? Uh, okay, we did a mistake. This is our reference, we should not give the double quote. Okay, so now we need to click on the element. Let's run. Let's see how in which element it is clicking as a taking the left reference. Just make sure it's not click the network status. Okay, it clicked in the announcement. Maybe the from the structure he has taken the left as a element of this announcement. To check the right, you can check, you can just make it here as a to right of and keep it all as same and just execute the script. Let's see what item, what elements it's clicking or it's taking as a right. So now it's clicking on the English. So it's not basically like what is actually the structure, but it took us some logics, internal logics. So to which item it will take as a left or right. So basically, whenever you are working, just make sure you are picking the right elements to handle this relative X path. So now this is your assignment is your near. Just try the near and give the comment below.